Welcome to our channel. If you're a car enthusiast looking for the latest and greatest in the automotive world, you've come to the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an exciting video. Today, we're diving into the impressive Chevrolet Tahoe 2025, a vehicle that truly makes a statement on the road. Let's start with the design. The Tahoe features bold lines and a striking front grille that really sets it apart from other SUVs. It exudes confidence and elegance, almost saying, "I'm here to dominate the road." Now, let's talk about performance. The Tahoe comes equipped with a powerful 5.3-liter V8 engine, generating an incredible 355 horsepower. If you love speed and adventure, this SUV is perfect for you. With its advanced four-wheel drive system, you'll feel in control no matter where the road takes you, whether in the city or off the beaten path. When it comes to comfort, the Tahoe shines. It offers a spacious interior, ideal for large families or road trips with friends. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, and you can adjust them to your liking. Even on long journeys, you'll feel right at home. Now let's explore the technology. The 2025 Tahoe is equipped with a large touchscreen that makes it easy to control all features effortlessly. The sound system? It's fantastic. It turns every drive into a concert experience, making your favorite tunes sound amazing. Safety is a top priority in the Tahoe. With features like blind spot monitoring and collision warning, you'll drive with peace of mind, knowing that you and your loved ones are protected. In summary, the Chevrolet Tahoe 2025 is the perfect choice for anyone seeking luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Don't forget to visit our channel and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you stay updated on all our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your driving experience.